But yeah, stretching is definitely an important part of exercising. You gotta stretch those muscles out. All right, my rice is nice and clean. Might be a little too much water. Is my dog down here? Dexter's birthday's in 2 days. Baked and then double baked the saucy ones to make it more glazed. Ooh, nice. They looked incredible. Super, super nice looking. Okay, I'm gonna add, what do I wanna do to this? Do I wanna do just salt? Do I wanna do any ginger to my rice? Maybe a little ginger would be good. All right, added some salt. I'm gonna add some ginger. I always keep like a frozen nub of ginger in my freezer. Yeah, no problem. It's nice because it's copyright free. Dexter, it's me. Trying to get baked on chicken skin on the wire rack. Oh God, this swearing was heard by the neighbors. Yeah, cleaning up is always the worst part of cooking. That's why I don't do it. I don't clean up after myself. Well, all right, there we go. Some fresh ginger and some salt. Just gonna season up our rice. Oh, actually, you know what would be good in the rice? If I chopped up a carrot. Let's do that. Some ginger rice, yeah. So I did ginger rice last week with the teriyaki chicken, and it was really phenomenal. So I liked the ginger rice a lot. But you know me, I'm always trying to add more flavor. More flavor. More flavor. More veggies. I'll just do one. Should I do two? 2 small carrots. Maybe we'll do 2 small carrots. 2 small carrots. And this is the end of Mass Effect 2. Yeah, it was so good. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we finished it last night after dinner, which if you guys want to play more Mass Effect, tonight I have a new sub goal, 12 subs, and we will hit our goal to do another double feature tonight, play more Mass Effect. I was considering going back to ME2 and playing through the Liara DLC. Before moving on to the third game. Oh, I'm having deja vu. What did I just read recently? That deja vu is a product of stress. I'm not feeling particularly stressed lately. Oh my gosh, how does he know? But I guess I haven't really been sleeping very well, which can be kind of stressful, you know?